Welcome to the future of the side hustle economy. As we begin 2026, the landscape of work has shifted dramatically, moving away from traditional gig work toward high-value, tech-enabled services. In this video, we are diving deep into the top 10 side hustles that are poised to dominate the market over the next 12 months. Whether you are looking to pay off debt, save for a home, or eventually quit your 9-to-5, these opportunities offer the scalability and longevity you need. We have analyzed market trends, technological advancements, and consumer behavior to bring you this definitive list. Each of these options utilizes the PrEP framework to explain why they work and how you can get started today. Prepare to take notes because the world of work is changing, and those who adapt first will see the greatest rewards. Let us count down the most profitable ventures for the coming year. Coming in at number 1 is AI agent development. The core point here is that businesses no longer just want a chatbot. They want autonomous agents that can execute entire workflows without human intervention. The reason this is a goldmine for 2026 is that the barrier to entry has dropped thanks to low-code tools, yet the perceived value for business owners remains incredibly high. For example, you could build a custom AI agent for a real estate office that not only answers inquiries, but also cross-references the calendar, books property viewings, and sends follow-up text messages to leads. This eliminates hours of manual work for the agent. By positioning yourself as a developer of these specific digital workers, you move from being a simple freelancer to a high-level solutions provider. It is a highly scalable side hustle because once you build a template for one industry, you can sell it to hundreds of similar businesses with minor adjustments. This is the ultimate way to leverage technology for profit in 2026. Number 2 on our list is vertical farm consulting. The point of this hustle is to help urban residents and restaurants set up small-scale, high-yield indoor gardens. As food supply chains become more volatile, the reason for the surge in demand is the desire for food security and ultra-fresh produce. People want to grow their own leafy greens and herbs, but lack the technical knowledge to manage hydroponic or aeroponic systems. Consider a local high-end restaurant that spends thousands on imported microgreens. You can design and install a vertical rack in their kitchen that produces the same volume for a fraction of the cost. You charge a setup fee and a monthly maintenance retainer to ensure the pH levels and lighting cycles are perfect. This side hustle combines sustainability with a tangible product, making it perfect for those who enjoy working with their hands as much as their heads. It is a green business that is built for the future of urban living. The third spot goes to personal brand ghostwriting. In 2026, your digital reputation is your most valuable asset, and busy executives know this. The reason this hustle is so lucrative is that while leaders have the expertise, they rarely have the time to consistently post on platforms like LinkedIn or X. For instance, a CEO of a renewable energy startup might have brilliant insights on market trends, but no time to craft them into viral threads or engaging articles. As a ghostwriter, you interview them for 30 minutes a week and turn those insights into a month of high-quality content. This allows them to build authority while you earn a premium monthly fee for your writing skills. Unlike general copywriting, this is specialized and requires you to capture a specific human voice. It is a high-trust, high-reward side hustle that helps professionals win in the attention economy. If you can write concisely and strategically, this is a perfect path for you. At number 4, we have ethical tech auditing. The point of this service is to review the software and AI tools a company uses to ensure they are compliant with new data privacy and bias regulations. The reason this is becoming essential is the massive increase in government oversight regarding how algorithms make decisions. Imagine a small human resources firm using an automated tool to screen resumes. If that tool is unintentionally biased against certain demographics, the firm could face massive legal trouble. You would come in, run a standardized audit, and provide a certificate of ethical compliance. This is a specialized form of consulting that requires an understanding of both policy and basic data science. As companies grow more afraid of the legal risks associated with modern tech, they will happily pay for the peace of mind an auditor provides. It is a highly professional niche with very little competition right now. Position yourself as the bridge between technology and ethics to succeed in this role. Number 5 is hyper-local micro-influencer management. The point here is that big brands are shifting their budgets away from massive celebrities and toward small, local creators who have high engagement in specific zip codes. The reason for this shift is trust. People are more likely to buy a recommendation from a local food blogger than a distant movie star. For example, you could manage a group of 5 local creators in a city like Austin or Nashville. You handle their brand deals with local coffee shops, gyms, and boutiques, taking a percentage of every contract. These creators often have the audience but lack the business sense to negotiate fair rates. By acting as the middleman, you create a win-win situation for the creator and the local business. This hustle is perfect for someone with great people skills and a deep understanding of social media trends. It allows you to build a powerful network within your own community while earning a significant passive income through commissions. Coming in at number 6 is remote work culture architecture. The point is that companies are struggling to keep their employees connected and engaged in a fully remote or hybrid world. The reason this is a growing need is that company culture often erodes when people never meet in person, leading to high turnover and low morale. As a culture architect, you might design a series of digital team-building experiences, create onboarding systems that emphasize values, or organize quarterly physical retreats. For instance, you could help a tech startup implement a mentorship program that works specifically across different time zones. Businesses are willing to pay a premium for this because retaining an employee is far cheaper than hiring a new one. This side hustle is ideal for those with a background in HR, psychology, or management. You are essentially selling the glue that holds modern companies together. It is a strategic role that offers high impact and high visibility with corporate clients. Focus on human connection to win in this field. Number 7 is circular economy reselling. This goes beyond simple flipping. The point is to specialize in the repair and resale of high-end sustainable goods. The reason this is exploding in 2026 is the consumer shift away from fast fashion and disposable products toward durability and brand heritage. A great example is sourcing high-quality leather boots or vintage outdoor gear, restoring them to like new condition, and selling them on niche marketplaces. You are not just a reseller, you are a curator and a restorer. By focusing on brands that offer lifetime warranties or known longevity, you build a reputation for quality. This hustle appeals to the environmentally conscious shopper who wants the best products without the environmental impact of buying new. It requires a keen eye for quality and some basic restoration skills. As the world moves toward more conscious consumption, the circular economy will provide a steady stream of income for those who can find and fix hidden gems. It is the future of retail. At number 8, we have niche newsletter operation. The point of this hustle is to curate the most important news and tools for a very specific professional audience. The reason newsletters are making a huge comeback is information overload. Professionals are willing to pay for someone to filter the noise and tell them exactly what they need to know. For example, instead of a general tech newsletter, you could create one specifically for dental office managers about the latest in patient management software. With 1,000 loyal subscribers paying $5 a month, you have a $5,000 monthly business that you can run in just a few hours a week. The key is to be the expert in a corner of the market that everyone else is ignoring. Advertisers also love these newsletters because the audience is highly targeted. It is a low overhead business that builds a compounding asset over time. If you can curate and summarize information effectively, this is a top-tier choice for 2026. Consistent value leads to consistent revenue. Number 9 is drone inspection piloting. The point is to use drones to inspect infrastructure like roofs, bridges, or cell towers that are difficult or dangerous for humans to reach. The reason for the demand is the massive cost savings and safety improvements for insurance and construction companies. For instance, after a major storm, insurance companies need to inspect hundreds of roofs. A drone pilot can do this in 10 minutes per house without ever setting foot on a ladder. This speed and safety are worth a high hourly rate. You will need to get certified and invest in a high-quality drone with a good camera, but the return on investment is incredibly fast. Many pilots charge several $100s per hour for specialized inspection work. As infrastructure ages, the need for regular, high-tech inspections will only increase. This is a technical side hustle that rewards precision and reliability. If you enjoy flying and have an eye for detail, this is a high-flying opportunity for the coming year. Rounding out our list at number 10 is AR experience design. The point of this hustle is creating augmented reality, filters and experiences for brands to use in marketing. The reason this is a top 2026 hustle is the release of new, consumer-friendly AR glasses that are making digital overlays a part of everyday life. Think about a furniture company that wants customers to see exactly how a sofa looks in their living room through their glasses or phone. You design that interactive 3D model and the interface that places it. This combines creativity with technical skill in a way that is currently in short supply. As commerce moves more toward the spatial web, brands will be desperate for designers who can create immersive, helpful experiences rather than just flat ads. You do not need to be a master coder to start, as many platforms offer visual drag and drop tools for AR creation. This is your chance to be on the cutting edge of the next big platform shift. Start building your portfolio now to dominate the market. There you have it, the top 10 side hustles for 2026. Each of these opportunities offers a unique way to leverage new technology and changing consumer habits to build a reliable income stream. The key to success with any of these is to start small, focus on a niche, and provide massive value to your clients. The world is changing faster than ever, and the best way to predict the future is to create it yourself. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of work.